Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to show two methods to multiply each pair of numbers displayed on the screen without calculator. The first method to solve these exercises is by using the identity a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared, which can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This identity is also called special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. The second method to solve these exercises is to multiply both two-digit numbers. I marked each digit of the first number with the letters A and B. Also, I marked each digit of the second number with the letters C and D. Next, I will explain how to multiply the number AB by the number CD. First, I need to multiply D by B, and then D by A, and write the resultant numbers from right to left. Then I need to multiply C by B, and then C by A, and again write both resultant numbers from right to left in a way that the number C times B is under the number D times A. Lastly, I need to add the numbers in a column, and again write each resultant number from right to left. If there is a number that carries over, then it needs to be added to the number C times A. Next, I'm going to solve each exercise by using both methods. Exercise 1. Multiply 22 by 18 without calculator. To solve this exercise with the first method, I'm going to use the identity a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. In other words, I need to write the number 22 as a sum of two numbers, and I need to write the number 18 as a difference of the same two numbers. When I do that, this equals to 20 plus 2 in parentheses multiplied by 20 minus 2. When I apply the identity, this equals to 20 squared minus 2 squared, which equals to 400 minus 4, or this gives 396. Next, I need to multiply both two-digit numbers. I have 8 times 2, which is 16. I have 1, carries over. Then again, I have 8 times 2, 16, and 1, 17. 1 times 2 is 2, and again 1 times 2 is again 2. When I add both numbers, I have 6, 9, 3, or again 396. Exercise 2. Multiply 31 by 29 without calculator. Again, I'm going to use the identity and write the number 31 as a sum of two numbers, and then the number 29 as a difference of the same two numbers. When I do that, this equals to 30 plus 1 in parentheses multiplied by 30 minus 1. When I apply the identity, this equals to 30 squared minus 1 squared, or I have 900 minus 1. When I subtract both numbers, I get 899. Next, when I multiply both numbers, I have 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. When I add them, I get 9, 9, 8, or again 899. Next exercise 3. Multiply 43 by 37 without calculator. Again, I'm going to use the identity and write 43 as the sum of the numbers 40 plus 3 in parentheses and the difference of the same two numbers 40 minus 3. When I apply the identity, I get 40 squared minus 3 squared, which equals to 1600 minus 9. When I subtract both numbers, this equals to 1591. Next, when I multiply both numbers, I get 7 times 3, 21. 2 carries over. I have then 7 times 4, 28, and 2 is 30. And 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus both numbers, when I add them, this equals to 1951, or again 1591. Exercise 4. Multiply 54 by 46. When I use the identity, I can write the number 54 as the sum of the numbers 50 plus 4. And then the number 46 as 50 minus 4. This equals to 50 squared minus 4 squared, which equals to 25,000 minus 16. When I subtract both numbers, I get 2,484. Next, I have to multiply 54 and 46. I have 6 times 4, 24, 2 carries over, 6 times 5, 30, and 2, 32. 4 times 4 is 16, 1 carries over, 4 times 5 is 20, and 1 gives 21. When I add them, I have 4, 8, 4, 2, or again 2,484. Next exercise 5. Multiply 55 by 65. Again, when I use the identity, I can write 55 as 60 minus 5 in parentheses multiplied by 60 plus 5. This equals to 60 squared minus 5 squared. This equals to 36,000 minus 25. Or when I subtract them, these two numbers, this equals to 3,575. Next, when I multiply both numbers, I have 5 times 5, 25, 2 carries over. Again, I have 5 times 5 plus 2. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 2 equals 27. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 carries over, and again I have 30 plus 3, 33. When I add both numbers, I get 5753, or 3,575. Exercise 6. Multiply 66 by 74 without calculator. When I use the identity, I'm going to write 66 as a difference of two numbers, and then 74 as the same of the as the sum of the same two numbers. This equals to 70 minus 4 in parentheses multiplied by 70 plus 4 in parentheses. This equals to 70 squared minus 4 squared. This equals to 49,000 minus 16, or I get 4,884. Next, I need to multiply 66 by 74, and when I do that, I have 4 times 6, 24, 2 carries over, again I have 4 times 6, and 2, 24, and 2 is 26, 7 times 6 is 42, 4 carries over, 7 times 6, 42, and 4 is 46. When I add both, again I get 4, 8, 8, 4, or 4,884. Exercise 7, multiply 77 and 83. Again, when I use the identity, I can write 77 as 80 minus 3, and I can write 83 as 80 plus 3, and this equals to 80 squared minus 3 squared, or I have 64,000 minus 9 is equals to 6,391. 6,391. Next I have 3 times 7, 21, 2 carries over, 3 times 7, 21, and 2, 23, 8 times 7, 56, 5 carries over, and again I have 56, and 5, 61. And I add both numbers, I get 1,936, or again 6,391. Lastly, I need to multiply 88 and 92. Again, I can write 88 as 90 minus 2 in parentheses multiplied by 90 plus 2 in parentheses. This equals to 90 squared minus 2 squared. This equals to 8,100 minus 4. When I subtract both numbers, I get 8,096. Next, when I multiply the two numbers, I have 2 times 8, 16. 1 carries over. Again, I have 2 times 8, 16, and 1 gives 17. And I have 9 times 8, 72. And again, 9 times 8, 72, and 7 gives 79. When I subtract both numbers, I have 6, 9, 10, 1 carries over, 8. Or again, I got 8,096, the same number as method 1. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.